Forex is the global marketplace where currencies are bought and sold. It's where one currency is exchanged for another, for example, euros for dollars or yen for pounds. This happens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, across major financial centres like London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. Unlike the stock market, Forex has no central exchange. All trading is done over the counter, which means directly between buyers and sellers, usually through online platforms or brokers. Forex isn't just for traders or investors. Every time you travel abroad and convert money, you're participating in the Forex market. Governments, corporations, banks, and even tourists help move trillions of dollars in currency every single day. But traders enter Forex to try and profit from price changes. Let's say you believe the euro will rise against the dollar. You can buy euros today, and if the value goes up, you can then sell them for a profit. These movements happen constantly, influenced by things like interest rates, inflation, global events, and market sentiment. In Forex, currencies are always traded in pairs because you're buying one and selling another. For example, the pair euro-dollar means you're trading the euro against the dollar. If you think the euro will strengthen, you buy the pair. If you think it'll weaken, you sell it. The first currency in the pair is called the base, and the second is the quote. So if euro-dollar equals 110, that means 1 euro equals 1.10 US dollars. You make profits from small changes in these numbers, often using leverage, which we'll explain in another lesson. To sum it up, Forex is where currencies are traded. It's global, fast-moving, and full of opportunity, but it also comes with risk.